Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken badge in Sea Monster RP thing. First, you must reach a minimum player level of 50 to even attempt this challenge. Next, ensure your monster has at least 15,000 health points and a damage output of 2,000 per attack. These are non-negotiable requirements before you even think about facing the legendary beast. Preparation is key for this epic encounter. You'll need to collect 3 ancient relics, hidden deep within the most dangerous underwater caves. These relics are crucial for weakening the Kraken. Additionally, visit the mysterious merchant in the sunken city to purchase a special Kraken bait for 5,000 gold. Finally, boost your monster's defense by at least 25% using rare pearls found in the abyss. Once prepared, journey to the Abyssal Trench, found at coordinates 34.5, -12.8 on your map. Upon arrival, use the Kraken bait at the trench's deepest point to summon the legendary creature. During the battle, concentrate all your attacks on its glowing eye, which is its primary weak spot. Maintain consistent damage output to overcome its powerful defenses and avoid its devastating ink attacks. Congratulations, you've defeated the mighty Kraken. Immediately after its defeat, a shimmering treasure chest will materialize at the battle site. Simply interact with this chest to automatically claim your hard-earned Kraken badge. This prestigious item not only signifies your incredible achievement, but also provides a permanent 10% boost to all your monster's stats, making you a true force in Sea Monster RP.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.